it. Hey guys, it's Grunt, and welcome to my review of the Google Pixel 6a. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Google Pixel 6a with an unboxing, and then afterwards I will be discussing with you guys a short review after about 6 months of having this phone. And I'm going to go ahead and give you guys my thoughts on this device and whether or not I think that you should get it. Or something like that, I'm not really sure. The Google Pixel 6a in all of its glory, right on the front of the box. As we turn around to the side, we get a nice look at the Pixel 6a again, as well as some random Junga Bunga on there. And it has a few different features of the phone, including the 5G, fast charging battery, which, you know, that is in fact very true. Intelligent photography, it does have some really good features that we will talk about, as well as the very large memory, 128 gigs of memory. And as you can see, this just kind of slides off, and we can set that to the side. Alrighty, and taking it out of the box here, it of course has a nice little cover on the front, showing us where the power button is, as well as the volume up and the volume down, and also showing that it does have the fingerprint scanner, and the location of where you put in your SIM card. And it is a USB Type-C charging. And as we peel that back, we get a look at the phone. Obviously, it's, you know, could be a little cleaner. It is used after all, guys. But this is kind of how it would come. And there it is. Here is the Google Pixel 6a with its lovely little cameras on the back, as well as its flash, and the Google symbol on the bottom there. It has the charging port as well as the speakers, or nice buttons on the side. Of course, for you guys, there would be a startup that you would run through, and after you set your phone up and select your language as well as the other stuff and putting your email and all that other fun stuff of getting a new phone in, you would then be on your home screen, which would look a little something like this. In our box, we get this nice little ejector type deal to put into the SIM card slot. And once you get that out, oh god. Yep, that's where your SIM card would go. You'd pop right in there, like that. And then we can put it right back into the phone. Holy crap, it's actually staying focused. I'm a little amazed by that. That took a minute. But there you go. And that's how you put in and take out the SIM card. But that's your nice little activation booklet. Very lovely, very nice and neat, tidy. Before we take a look at the phone itself, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the little case that I got to go along with the phone. Just as a little side piece here for you guys, this was the case that I ended up buying, in case you were wondering what case GruntzWorkz picked out. The case is just a very basic on 10-inch drop protection dual layer case. Very nice, very cheap and affordable. I believe it was only $10. But yeah, all in all, nice little case. Phone hasn't broken yet, so it's doing a decent job. And now we'll go ahead and take a look at the phone itself. Okay, now without further ado, we can finally review the phone itself. As you can see, we have the lovely screen with the fingerprint touch. And I didn't know that they had this, but apparently some of these backgrounds you can actually just, they move in a very interesting way. But I think the main thing I want to show you guys is the camera quality. Now we'll see. This is on normal photo. It'll focus. It's been kind of weird with the focus. This is just taking a normal photo, and I will show you guys that now, so you can see. Ain't that nice? And then we will show you guys portrait. And I'll let you guys take a look at that now. in comparison to the quality on the camera itself, that is actually very good. As well as, I'll go ahead and take a quick clip here just to kind of show you guys what that looks like. As you can see, not too bad at all. Check out all them beautiful pictures there. Aren't they the shit? As for other features of the phone, I think it is important to mention that the battery life is actually pretty darn good on this phone. And the charging speed is phenomenal. Being able to change it between rapid charging and adaptive charging, being able to swap between those two is actually really nice. One complaint I would say, and this isn't really just like about the phone, it's more or less just like the environment that you might have the phone in. Definitely don't make the mistake I did and buy yourself a charger hole plug, because for my specific work, I tend to get a lot of dust built up in there very fast. Lots of dust bunnies living in there, makes it a little difficult to charge. Other than that, it runs perfectly. Pretty much anywhere I take this, it's always got service besides, you know, the very big, obvious dead zones. Like, there's just some spots you just can't avoid like that. But other than that, the service is always very good. Should have seen what it looks like in night mode. It takes some decent pictures at nighttime as well. But overall, would I recommend buying this phone? Definitely. Overall, it's a really good phone for 200 bucks from my my local Wally World. But anyways though guys, yes, I would 100% recommend this phone to anybody looking to purchase it. It is very good. Of course, it does not have a headphone jack, and I would recommend if you do buy it to get a dust plug, depending on, you know, what your day-to-day usage of it is. But yeah, I suppose that's going to conclude this review. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoy the video, and subscribe so that way you get notified whenever we stream or upload again. Because hopefully I will be back on the grind and getting new content coming your way. As it's, you know, it's kind of sad having, you know, no uploads and nothing going on quite like we used to. It's a real shame. And maybe I can get some good use out of this camera as well. But yeah, do subscribe. Let me know that you guys are still here, still watching all these many years later. And we'll see what else we can get done. We'll see whatever video comes next. Oh, also leave a comment down in the comments what you guys thought about this phone. If you have it, let me know. Let me know what you think of it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out, guys. Bye-bye!